Before the cool down ran out, I'll be giving it my best. There's nothing gonna stop me but divine intervention. Reckoning it's again my turn to win some we're certain, no. To have this Christmas party again. For those who have our homeowners to come here now to our clubhouse, and we will start our Christmas party. And feel free to take a pictures.
Let the celebration begin.
To gather here as a big community, neighbors, friends, and now a family. What makes this gathering so meaningful? Christmas isn't just about twinkle lights and presents. Of course, because we have a lot of fun, enjoyment, and of course, raffles. As you can see on the front, we have a lot of raffles. And who is excited to raffles? Everybody, say hip hip! Dito, syempre, hip hip! Ang energy is about 1, 2, 3, hip hip! Everybody, let's close our hands and of course, ayan. Oh, you go here. Fall in line. And name? Alright. Pangalan? Anong kaso? Wala din. Pangalan? Awayin mo siya ha. Little kid, what's your name? Empty daw, empty. Bilia, alright, thank you. And lastly, name please? Kailan makupulong? Alright. Alright. And then I'm gonna start there. Papunta rito. Baba muna, hep hep. Don't forget the hands, ha? Okay, ready na? Mukhang matatanggal sila lahat agad, ha? Ready na tayo, ha? Ito na, serious na to, ha? Ready? 1, 2, 3 and go! Don't forget the hands. Okay, ulit. 1, 2, 3, go! It should be hooray! Thank you so much. Out! It should be next! 1, 2, 3 and hep hep! Don't forget the hands, okay? One more. 1, 2, 3. Mahihain. Sabi Hep, hep. Thank you so much. Oh, kaninong kids tong mga to? Don't forget the hands. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, thank you so much. Alright, thank you. Bago tayo next game, ha? First naman tayo. Yung mga kids naman ang papalakpak sa inyo. Okay? Oh, it's been raining. Or maybe you can just actually sit. Also, because it's for you to win. Are you ready for prizes? Oh, siya lang. Wag siya na lang. Step. 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 Yes. Yes. I didn't say step yet. I said step. 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 No. Step. No. Step. No. Step. Yes. What? Step. Yes. Step. 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 Yes. Step. No. Step. No. Oh, yeah. We have 2 more. Red versus blue.
Yes. No.
Alright. This time we'll make it faster. Faster. Ready? Step. Step. No. Step. No. Step. No. Step. No. Step. No. Step. No. Step. Yes. Step. No. Step. Yes. Step. Oh, wala na. Alright. Hey. Okay. Thank you so much. Alright. Thank you so much. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ikot, ikot. Layo.
Ay.
Ayan, ikot, ikot. Layo, ikot, ikot. Dito ka sa kabila. One way, one way. Ikot, ikot. Alright. Yeah. Wait lang. Doon kayo. Doon kayo. Ano to? Alright. Alright, thank you so much. You two wins. Ayan, yours. And this is alright. Alright, plants from Renditas. Thank you so much. And our first lucky winner is get ready to your tickets. And we have one here. Alright. And it's your lucky to play 0. Sino may 0? Alright, 0, 0, 1. 1. Ano daw? 0, 0, 0, 1. 1, 1, 2. So that's 1, 1, 1, 2. Ay, sinabi! It's your lucky day.
Thank you.
Alright! Alright! Tatlong 0. So that's 0, 0, 0. 1. 1. Sila ka ba may 1, 1? 1, 1, 3. 1, 1, 3, 7. 1, 1, 3, 7. Parents natin, mag-ready tayo. I need 8. Alright, ito po natin guys. 1, 1, 3, 7. Congratulations. Diba? 0, 0, 0. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Guess number, last one. 1, 1, 1. Ayaw niyo, akin na lang to. 7. Here is your second. Thank you. 0, 0, 0, 1. 1. Ano daw? 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 9. Congratulations. We have. All right. Thank you so much. Mag-change out po tayo. Pawis na. Alright. Who will be the lucky number? Oh, pangsaing to. Pangsaing. Alright. I have.
Me, charot.
Number 0, 0, 0. 1, 1. Five kilo rice, jasmine rice. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Alright, ano? Pag mahina, hindi kayo mananalo. 1, 1, 2! Ano daw? Sayang. 1, 1, 2, 3! 1, 1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3! Asa na? Alright, let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Ay, wala yun ang claim. Asa ba? Kanino kaya yung 1, 1, 2, 3? Alright. Ito. Baka siya ito. 1, 1. Sino ang may mga number na 1, 1, 3?
Iwan mo 3!
1, 1, 3! Number 1, 1, 3! 1, 1, 3! 6! Here's your 5 kilo! Then let's group yourself into 4. Count 1. Kung sino hindi makasagot, out. Kung sino yan nandito, will stay. Okay, kung sino nanalo, mag-i-stay. Eto ang mag-i-start is yung papalit dun sa natalo. Alright? Okay. Random. As long as hindi ka nakampo sa nagsasabihin, namamalat siya ako. Alright, ready? Sabi ko sa inyo eh, madali lang yung game eh. Alright! Jacket boy, who will start? Alright, ready? And isang bagsak lang ha? 2, 3, go! Alright, and you will start. I need anak one more fight. Okay, sino mag-i-start? Madali lang to, gagawa ka ng movement. Sabi ko, kumakaway ako, ikaw. Diba? Pasok ka naman.
Okay na.
Okay? Ako, you hold. Lakas ka na. Okay, ready? Your movement.
Para ako din out na din agad.
Ang hirap pa. Ano ba? Naglalaba ako. Ikaw?
Tumatakbo ako. Tumatakbo ako.
Nag-uulaw pa ako. Ikaw?
Just thank you so much. Stay ka kuya. And then you make a move. Kailangan isang parehas lang nag-move ha. Hindi dapat may iba. Alright?
Pero yung last niya, yung ba yung susunod ko, ibang
Ibang movement.
Iba na. Ay, hindi! No! Hindi dapat mapapalitan. Kung anong in-start nyo, yun na yun. Hanggang sa maubusan kayo nagsasabihin. So kung ito ang sinimulan nyo, yan na dapat ang matapos. Magsasalitan lang kayo. Hindi. Yung susunod, pag natalo siya, yung susunod, iibahin niya. Iiba niya yung movement. Hindi pwedeng magkapareho, ha? Hindi pwedeng magkapareho. Pag nagkapareho, out. Okay, dito magsisimula. Alang sa likas, let's go! And your movement!
Nagano ako ng mga sinampay, ikaw.
Thank you so much! Then the movement should be like this. Ganon din dapat ang movement. So, sabi niya, nag-ano ako ng sampay, ikaw, umaakit ako sa puno, ikaw. Ganon. Okay na. Same lang dapat ang movement. And you start. And go.
Bakit ako sa hagdanan, ikaw? Nagano ko ng well, yung ano, yung...
Thank you so much! One more, okay. And you start. Same movement, no changes. Hanggang maubusan, and go!
Nagkihila ko ng tali, ikaw. Kukuha ko ng mangga.
Wait lang. Kanina pa yan eh. Hindi na kayo napagod pumakyat. Oh, ibang movement. You start and go.
Gusto ko lang ako, ikaw.
Nangunguto ako, ikaw.
Kumukuha ko ng mga lisa ako, ikaw.
Nagpapalpag ako ng mga alikabok, ikaw.
Nagbuka ka kinikili ko, ikaw.
Nag-ayos ako ng damit ko, ikaw.
Ikaw yung balahibo sa katawan ko, ikaw.
Nagpapalpag ako ng mga libag-libag ko, ikaw.
Gamit ikaw.
Go, bigas.
Alright, iba na yung movement ni Reddy. Thank you so much. Alright, the movement was this. Ayan na. Okay, team white and team black. Reddy and black team, you make the move. You make the move.
Sa kalamesa, ikaw.
Alright, congratulations. Alright, thank you so much again, Reddy Lisa. Alright.
Nagsasagwan ako, ikaw.
Nagzumba ako, ikaw.
Nagkakay ako, ikaw.
Nag-ano ka ng pala ko, ikaw.
Nagwawalis ako, ikaw.
Nagpapalala ka, ikaw.
Nagkakalsal ako ng basura, ikaw.
Nagkakano ka ng damo,
bigas.
Nagtatanggal ako ng alikabok,
Eh,
ikaw.
mas nakit yung piki ko, bakit ikaw?
Nagja-jogging ako, ikaw.
Eh, nagzumba din ako, ikaw.
Up, naulit ang